2025 Prelim Nanyang Primary School Paper 2, Question 2. The following table shows the parking charges at a car park. Risha parked her car from 8:15 to 11 p.m. on Tuesday. How much did she have to pay? Now first, let's draw our timeline. She started parking at 8:15 p.m. Okay. From 8:15 to 10:15, that will be 2 hours. Okay, and then from 10:15, let's do 30 minutes block. Okay, 30 minutes. That will be 10:45 p.m. Okay. It ends at 11, so there's another 15 minutes here. Right. Now, how much does she have to pay? She has to pay for the 2 hours. She also has to pay for the 30 minutes here. And then 15 minutes here, because for every half an hour or less, they're counting it in blocks of half an hour. So for this block here, she will need to pay the entire block of 30 minutes. All right. So now 2 hours plus 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. Okay, that will be 2 hours plus 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. That will be total of 3 hours. All right, so for the first hour is $2.70. This is for the first hour. And then for the remaining 2 hours, we have blocks of half an hour. Okay, so it will be 4. There are 4 half an hour in 2 hours. So 4 times $1.20. Okay, now let me just elaborate on the 4. We have 3 hours in total, right? And then we take out 1 hour because the first hour is $2.70. So we are left with 2 hours. Now 2 hours, if we split this into half an hour, is equals to 4 times of half hour, right? So we have to take 4 times of $1.20, which is the cost of half an hour, right? Then let's go back. That's $2.70 plus $4.80. That will give us a total of $7.50. Alright, this is the total amount she had to pay, $7.50.